my channel. Today we're doing another partial week of my life. We're starting actually today on Tuesday because yesterday was Monday, and let me tell you, Monday scaries, very real. Didn't need to get that on camera. Was not doing okay yesterday. Had a shower last night, journaled, read, lit a candle, cleaned my room, feeling like brand new human. Today is Tuesday, just the second week of classes. We have Rush starting up again on Thursday, and that will go through Saturday, and then middays on Sunday, so very exciting. But about to head to class. We're going to promo first and then to strategic leadership. Fun. This is my outfit for today. Very cute. I've never worn this together before. I'm wearing just my usual earrings, both from Amazon. This necklace is from, I can literally never remember. I'll put the name on the screen. I got it from a FabFitFun box. Love it. This shirt is from Nordstrom Rack. Very cute. More of an oatmeal color in person. It looks white, almost grayish on camera. It's definitely oatmeal. I'm wearing my navy Splits 59 leggings. They're like the flare ones. Love them. Super cutie. And I'm wearing my new P448s, which underneath the leggings only look like this, but they're actually quite rainbow and furry under there. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I might change into my hokas because these don't necessarily go with the outfit and I need to go. I just made coffee. Gonna have a good day. We have spin class later today. I'm doing with a girl who's in Kaio. It's her last class before she's an instructor. Very exciting. Go Katie. I almost combined her first and last name, Katie Talby. If you guys are new, subscribe and let's get into this week in my life. Oh my god.
This probably seems like a moment you're gonna tell your friends about.
I got back from like the longest errands of my entire life. I'm back, doing better. It's currently 5:03, drinking a medicine ball tea because my throat was really scratchy this morning. I was like, oh, my throat's sore every morning. And then like I went to class and I was like, I don't know, like it's not going away. So I got really nervous. So basically I ran out to Wegmans to get turkey because I needed turkey. Honey roasted turkey from there. Amazing. And I also knew that they had COVID tests. Then they didn't have COVID tests. So I had to drive all the way to Target on the other side of the greater Charlottesville area. I took those, or I took one. I'm negative, so all good. I think my throat's just like a little messed up, and I've had a sore throat like every single morning for the past 2 to 3 weeks, so like it's not that out of the blue. It's just like it was scratchy, so I was like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm like feeling like I'm just like on the come down. I'm like literally just drinking tea and my hands are like shaking because I was really nervous. I wasn't sure. Feeling much better now. I'm glad that I can still go to my spin class tonight at 7:30. I'm gonna go right now over to 1252. Yeah, just hang out there. Also maybe I should bring my work over there. Who's to say? But this day just got a whole lot better. Like those errands took me like 2 hours and the whole time I was just like freaking out. So I'm feeling a lot more at ease. Gonna ride this for the rest of the day.
When I close my eyes, so I burn the map. I ignore the signs, but feeling far away. 2 years in a couple of days. I just wait.
This is going on the internet. Hello everyone. I would say, I'm sure you all have been wondering where I am, but in this video it's probably been about 10 seconds. Meanwhile, it's been about 2 days for me here. Hello. Today's now Thursday, and I got like 2 clips yesterday. Tuesday, I had a bit of a COVID scare. I woke up with a scratchy throat, and Liv had been like exposed to COVID, so I was like, I should go get checked. Got a rapid done. Mine was negative. Liv did hers a couple of hours later. Hers was positive, and then I just kind of like stayed here after I found that out. And then the next morning, Wednesday, yesterday, it was like a whirlwind. I was still like feeling really bad, and I was like, I probably shouldn't go to class regardless of like whether or not I have it, because you're not supposed to go to class with like symptoms and stuff. And I also got a PCR done at student health at UVA. That also came back negative, so it means not only was I not like positive at the time that I was doing it, I didn't have COVID in my system. That's great, that's awesome. But I made an appointment last night with another medicine, like family medicine place here, urgent care. So I was like, I still feel like it's not COVID, maybe it's strep. I also got tested for mono. Got those results back, they were negative. Literally praise the Lord. I'm very glad that that all worked out. I haven't got my strep test back, and I won't get that back probably till tomorrow morning. I'm definitely feeling like a lot better. My throat just really hurts, and I kind of have a cough because of like drainage and stuff. That's kind of gross, but gonna lay low again today. I've already emailed all my professors and they were all like, do not come to class. Like even if you feel mildly unwell, like you'll be fine. It's only the like second week, like just no need to come. Any other updates? Oh, house tours, which was supposed to start today actually, which praise the Lord that is not, because I feel like shit. It actually got moved online, which is really sad, but that means that house tours starts tomorrow. That's more convenient actually for me at the moment, since I should not probably be rushing anyone in person. I honestly was thinking about just like stopping this vlog and like not posting it, and I was like, this is stupid, who cares? I took a whole day and a half off. Yeah, also considering I didn't even really vlog Monday because I was like not having a day either, so this week has just been like a lot. We're pushing through. I'm still posting the vlog because why not, and I have some fun clips in here that I wanted to like post anyways. But the first order of business today is to finish editing my first week of school vlog. I'm gonna do that and try to post that today if possible. I think I can. Been 9 minutes of rambling, so I'm gonna stop now. Let's go be productive. Have a day. Okay guys, I just put my second load of laundry in the washer. I'm going a little crazy in here, so not even crazy, I just want to clean. So I'm gonna put on my little mask. I have windows open in the main room, or in the living room, air purifier going, and I'm just gonna like go to town and vacuum and Swiffer the floor because there's dirt, there's mud, there's everything. It's disgusting. It's been a minute since I vacuumed. I don't think I have since it's like I did my super big deep clean before I went home for break, so it's been a while. So gonna go clean with my mask on. Isn't that hot?
I just woke up from a broken dream. Who can stop my hands from shaking? I need you to take them, and I don't wanna wait all night. I'm coming alive, and my senses are a little demented. Can this be right?
Hello everyone, I'm leaving the house for the second time today. Big, amazing, crazy stuff, I know. I just took a nap. It was a fat nap actually, just because I was a little bit tired. I'm trying to just like really take it easy so that I'm like geared up for this weekend for Rush, and like my voice sounds horrible. I feel actually so like just so much better. I think just like sleeping it off, and like I've been having a ton of water, just had some more vitamin C, like I'm feeling solid. I am headed to the UVA bookstore quickly to finish up the return that I started the other day. And I would do that before the deadline hits, and then I want to go to Trader Joe's real quick to just pick up groceries because I've been putting that off ever since I found out about like I thought I had COVID and whatever. Now I feel fine, and I feel fine going there. So a bunch of my friends texted me, they're like, oh, are you going out tonight? I'm like, absolutely no shot that's happening. I'm just gonna listen, jam out, and have like some me time in the car. That'll be good, you know? I need that.
Will you sit with me? Bring your little light. I'm down so long.
I am sitting at my desk drinking a Chick-fil-A drink. I'm sitting here, it's currently 8:43. I ate dinner, I exported my video, I'm waiting for that to upload. It's taking forever, but I'm excited that that's done at least, and that'll be up either tonight or tomorrow morning. But very exciting is that Ashley's calling me in like 5 minutes. We haven't talked in a while, and whenever I feel like my life is getting out of control, I'm like, I need to call Ashley, seriously. I'm excited to talk to her. We're probably gonna talk for like a while, so I'm planning on that. And then after that, I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I'm organizing my life and like all the good things. I honestly have a lot of work to do tonight, and that's okay because I took like a fat nap today, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to go to class tomorrow just for my own sanity. Also tonight I have to shower, wash my hair, tan, shave, and I wanted to blow dry my hair just so that there would be less work for me tomorrow morning, because basically what needs to happen tomorrow is I'm supposed to be on Zoom for Rush at 11:45, but I have class till 12:15, so I have to be basically like fully ready to like go at 11:45. That's the update. I'll catch you guys after my call with Ashley, and I'll show you guys like how I'm setting up for the semester and like getting my together. Hello everyone. I'm first starting out by blowing out my candle so that we don't hear the crackling while we debrief on Notion. You may notice that I am more well lit than usual. I don't know if this is like good or bad. I have my ring light on behind me, but I would say definitely for the best. So the first thing I want to do is add back in something that I had in here before, which was where I showed all my classes for the week up at the top here. So let's start with a header 2, I think it was, and let's do one for promo, do a divider, And then you just want to Control C this, Control V. I have one for each class this semester. I'm going to do this in order of my schedule. This first one is going to be Comp 4621. Personally, I just really like when I can see across. I don't know why that's like my layout of choice. Also, as time goes on, probably like about a month into the semester, I'll delete like the titles of the courses. I just like don't fully know them right now. But yeah, so I have this, and instead of retyping this every single week, what I'm going to do is just select here by just like dragging my mouse, hit Control C. Then I'm going to go back to my weekly planning and go into the templates. I click the configure template, click on Entitled, and then scroll down, and I'm going to do it here. So I'm actually editing my template now, but I also want to use it obviously for this week. So now this is going to pop up every single time I make a new to-do list, or a new like weekly to-do list. And then also something else I want to implement is do this here. Then I'm just going to link to my job applications page. So you do backslash here, embed. So this way it's just a little bit easier to see like what's across, and I'm going to fill these in with actually these things up here. I'm just gonna drag them up top, and it's really satisfying to me personally to like see what I've gotten done throughout the week. I don't know what it is, I just like get really in my head about like not being able to see everything, which is why I like my two desktops. So instead of having my goals up here, I'm going to move them all here so I can see them all across. I do go back and forth on whether or not I like this like database of tasks. Like it is really helpful to keep a log, but I just like don't check it. You need to create a system that you're actually going to use. Sometimes if it's too complex, it's just not going to happen. So I'm going to keep these up here just because they're nice to see, but in reality it's kind of all of this right here, so where I can see all my tasks for the week. That's pretty much it for Notion, what I'm doing right now. I do like want to go in and do like my goals and all of this stuff like in here. Quite literally, I haven't updated this goals page since this time last year. I really like it in theory. I just think where I'm at right now, it would be more helpful for me to literally just put like on my boards right above me, put like 3 goals and just like post them up there. That's just like more my vibe of just like in my face. That's that. I'm just gonna leave the Notion at that because I want to actually get working tonight. It is 10:13. Something that I need to do is I'm going to pull up my Google Calendar here. As you guys will notice, I have a bunch of different calendars, and I have a whole video about how I stay organized in college, although I do think I'm going to like recreate that this semester because I get a lot of questions actually about like how I stay organized, and I have like a complete video on it and no one ever knows that it's there. So I think I'm gonna recreate it. Maybe I'll tag it a little bit better. One of the main ways aside from Notion is my Google Calendar, and the reason this works for me is because I have all of these things that I can check and uncheck. Toggling on and off and just like having different colors for different calendars is really very helpful for me. So I like to go to the month overview. Looks like this. That's that. And then what I do is I have to sit down and go through my syllabi. I actually have all of my syllabi saved to my computer. That's a big tip. You should have them saved so that you don't ever have to go searching for them. Everyone has like a different way of keeping track of their assignments. I know some people do that like Excel spreadsheet where you can organize by date, or you can do the same thing in Notion. That's never been my style. I just need to have it in the Google Calendar. I don't know why. That's my vibe. Okay, that's what I do. I'm not changing that, but find what works for you. What should not work for you is checking the day before on the syllabus, because what if you have a project due the next day? No. What I do is I just go through, find all of the big assignments, put those in the calendar for the entire semester. I first go through the deliverables, so this professor has them all in a separate section, so February 16th, and when I go in here, when I click, I write COM 4621, which is the name of the class, or the class code of the class, and then this is assignment 1 due. It's due at 11 a.m. and if it's something important, well, I always make it school. I'll write assignment due at 11 a.m. but I'll click all day. I like the block to be the assignments, whereas like if it's 11 a.m. it's just like a little dot and it's smaller. I don't know why. Usually I have to go back in and change it because Google Calendar thinks it's smarter than me. And then I'll right click and make it yellow. Yellow signifies like test, quiz, assignment, like something that's like due. blue, whereas like blue is just like school stuff. So that's how I do like the big assignments for the semester. Then just for the week to week, I'll show you guys a quick little entry for that. So I just go to the week, click next week, and I go the same designation, COM 4621. I just like this method of like that, so that I know what it's about. I automatically switch it to school. And the reason I don't list them out here is because I just copy and paste straight from the syllabus. Rather than going and opening the syllabus every single week or whatever, I can just click on this, see the readings that I have to do for the week, and just like go and do them. I am such a big streamliner, and making sure that like things are just kind of like all in one place, they're all aggregated. I will take the time to do this because it works so well for me, and I love having everything in one place, which is why if Google Calendar died tomorrow, I would die tomorrow. You know what I mean? I truly do not think that this is like groundbreaking by any means. I just think that like oftentimes we are bombarded with so many new ways to do things and like all these fancy like organization methods. Keep it simple. For me, I really love my Notion and the way that it's organized. I have a whole video on that, how I set that up, but essentially scrolling down here, I'll show you guys the rest of it. I just have on the left, this is kind of like my schedule for the day. I'm not a big time blocker, or I've tried that in the past. It kind of works, kind of doesn't, but I really like here how I can just like go through my day. This is like the order of things as I'm doing them, and to me this creates so much more momentum, whereas like just having like all the to-dos that you have to do in a list that like can't move. This is why I like digital, just doesn't do the same thing for me. Now sometimes if I'm getting just like overwhelmed or whatever, and I'm like I have to do like a couple things, I'll just like get a scrap piece of paper and write stuff down and just like turn off Notion and just like go in and do it. But by and large, this is like the main way I organize, and it's been really good for school and life. Happy rush.